Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 55 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Review first. 幼稚 childish. 炫耀 show off. 懒惰 lazy. Baby mean. 白痴 idiot. 自私 selfish. 仓鼠 hamster. 小狗 puppy. 宠物 pet. 生气 angry. 耐心 patience. 激动 excite. 安心 be relieved. 直播 live streaming. 不安 unpeaceful. Now follow me to learn 不必不想不同 in Chinese. 不必不必 means no need. You don't have to worry about their future. 你不必为他们的前途担忧。不必。不必。不必。Next one for today. 不想。不想 means do not wish to. Do not wish to. 不想。To be honest, I just don't want to go. 说心里话，我真的不想去。不想。不想。木 is 伤心。不想。Do not wish to do something. 不想。不想。Next one. 不同。不同。不同 means different. Different 不同 Now it is different from the past. 现在和过去不同了。不同。不同。口。不必不必不必 No need 不想不想不想 Do not wish to do something 不同不同不同 Different Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what do you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.